I'm Rick Ricart. I'm president and dealer of Ricart Automotive Group, and we're here in Columbus, Ohio, currently inside the Ricart used car factory. So my experience with high performance or high speed doors really started a little over 15 years ago when we did a renovation to the building that we're in right now. It came to be because we filmed a used car show outside, and we decided we wanted to start filming it inside, driving cars through the building and saying the prices on TV on Saturday morning. And to be able to have the cars come through with the weather, we started looking and finding and testing different combinations of high-speed doors right here in the used car factory. Well, the benefits of using HPDs really is multifaceted. For beginners, we're in Columbus, Ohio. We have seasonality like anywhere else, 4 real seasons. So in the summertime, we want to keep as much air conditioning in the building as we can, and in the wintertime, we want to keep as much heat inside. So having high-speed doors to really minimize the time that those doors are open, creating those big openings, allows our employees and customers to have a more comfortable environment to work in. Aside from the general weather efficiencies that can happen, creating shop efficiencies, doors opening fast, smooth, swift, just creates a way to have better flow throughout the shop, and everyone's looking for increased productivity and efficiency these days. We have a lot of options when it comes to purchasing equipment for our dealership. High-speed doors or HPDs are no different. We have to look at number one, reliability. You want a door that's going to work, that raises and lowers when you need it to, fast and quiet. We also look for value. It needs to be affordable. We've got a lot of service space and a lot of other doors like in the showrooms where we want to have the option of putting these doors in as many places as we can. The other is security. You want a solid, strong door with a good metal structure, because let's face it, things like catalytic converter theft have become an epidemic around the country, and we want to be able to keep those vehicles inside as secure as we can. Of course, there's always a question to ask when it comes between tinted windows or clear. I think on some of the applications, like when you think of a door that's looking through the entryway of the front of a showroom, if you don't have a lot of direct sunlight, clear's a good option. But unfortunately, the angles of our buildings and our shop doors, we went with the tinted glass because we want to be able to also, going back to that element factor, keep in as much air conditioning as we can and also avoid that direct sunlight in our technicians' eyes when they're working on the vehicles. So when it came time to make a decision, the biggest differentiator that set Hörmann apart from the other doors is really the people. From the representative that we worked with, to the leadership of the company, to the proximity they are to our dealership. They're very easy to work with. They follow through with what they say they're going to do. They offered us a variety of options. There was no cookie cutter approach, and we got to really work together to figure out the best solution. And I feel that Hörmann's become a viable partner in providing top-notch equipment for us to have the best facilities that we can. For any dealers that haven't upgraded to HPDs or high-speed doors, I highly recommend you taking a look at Hörmann. If you want to stop by our dealership and see how they work in person, you're more than welcome to visit. But I think the speed, the efficiency, and honestly the cool factor, employees love, customer loves, our technicians love, and for the price, they're the best value on the market.